Welcome back to El Gato. The ancient civilization of humanity may have existed much longer and advanced further than what is typically mentioned in textbooks. In fact, we had progressed to the point that the builders of the Great Pyramid of Giza seemed to know the exact size of our planet with a precision that wasn't achieved until 1972, with the advent of satellites and modern surveying techniques. If you're skeptical, I have data to prove it, and I'll be sharing it with you shortly. If you've watched our previous videos on ancient civilizations or pyramids, you may already be aware of the astonishing fact that the Great Pyramid of Giza was constructed at the precise geographical center of all the landmasses on Earth. But is that a mere coincidence? What are the odds that the largest and most mysterious structure in human history was placed at such a unique position? We also mentioned that the Great Pyramid of Giza doesn't just have 4 sides as we typically think, but actually has 8 sides. This can only be observed at sunset and sunrise during the spring and autumn equinoxes, a detail most people are unaware of. Additionally, have you ever wondered about the lack of black soot marks from candles or torches inside the pyramid? If they truly use such lighting during construction or afterward, why does the Sistine Chapel need restoration after centuries of candle use, but not the pyramid? Let's consider the ancient Egyptian artwork that some believe depicts a kind of electrical device. In the image, there's a snake connected to a lotus flower and what appears to be a wire leading to a box. The network of underground tunnels and conduits beneath the Giza Plateau is also intriguing. Many of these pipes extend over 100 meters deep through solid limestone and crisscross the plateau. What purpose do they serve? It remains a mystery. It's fascinating to think that the ancients may have had advanced technology to cut stone and lift it, but many refute this and argue that primitive methods could also achieve this. While it's possible to use wire and copper saws to cut through hard stones, it would take a vast amount of time, not to mention the incredible precision we see. Cutting through a stone block is just the beginning. How do we explain the perfect curves and sharp edges that we observe, which today require drills and diamond saws? Then there are the 100-ton stone boxes in the Serapeum, with precision up to 1/1000th of an inch. How could rudimentary technology achieve such perfection? And what about lifting those massive blocks? Modern experiments show that a single person can lift a 20-ton stone. But does that explain the 1,000-ton blocks at Baalbek? It's not just about lifting, but pulling those stones uphill for half a mile, a challenge for which there is still no convincing explanation. These questions only deepen the allure and mystery of ancient structures. How did they accomplish such feats? And are we merely scratching the surface of these enigmatic constructions? Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more fascinating mysteries with El Gato.